Here you see a stem and leaf plot. The stem and leaf plot is another way for us to organize our data. Notice how when you're looking at the leaves only contain the ones digit of the number, right here. Whereas the stems contain all of the place values before the one, tens, hundreds, thousands, it can go that far. The leaves are only the ones digit. So for example, this number that we see here, even though the leaf is 0, that's the ones digit, does not mean that the value for this is 0. It's actually 190. The hundreds and the tens are already in the stem, and the leaf would be at the 0. So the question here that we have to do is explain the mistake in the stem and leaf plot for the Hart-Garland estimates, then correct the plot to the right. The best way to do this is go number by number. You can either start from the graph or go to the data number. I like to start from the graph. I see that there's 120. I look for the 120 in the data and cross it off. 122, cross it off. 127, cross it off. 128, there's a 130, there's a 131, there's a 135, there's a 146, 151, 153, and 190. So all the numbers that are in my stem and leaf plot have been crossed off in my data set. However, if you noticed, there are 1, 2, 3 numbers missing. I'm missing 2 128ths and another 144. In order for me to correct it, I simply just want to put in 2 more 8ths to represent the two 128ths, and I want to put a 4 in right here to make it 144 and 146. I put the 4 there because then it would be in numerical order. Now I have all of the numbers that I need for my stem and leaf plot.